Hello, I'm George Wheeler from the Family Day Trippers. You join me today here from Thorpe Park in Chertsey, England. As you can hear from the music, which might be overpowering my voice, it is Oktoberfest. If I spin you round, we've got all the flags up, got the site, got the flag. But anyway, let's go and enjoy our day at Thorpe Park Resort. So we are waiting to go in the park, and you may notice someone who might have been on the channel for a while, you know, maybe. But this is my good friend Rico. He's going to be with us today for our day at Thorpe Park. Sorry I didn't introduce you earlier, but you know, needs must. And yeah, we're waiting to go in now, and we're going to start our day on Soar the Ride. Woo! So we are making the walk down to Soar the Ride, our first ride of the day here at Thorpe Park Resort in Chertsey, England. I don't know why I keep on doing that, but I am. It is a Cobra roll that is, of course, belongs to Colossus, and we've got Storm Surge over there, and you can just see through the trees, the top of the lift hill, to Soar the Ride. And you've got the Heartline rolls here for Colossus. You see a lot of Colossus actually. We're in the Lost City area, I believe, of Thorpe Park.
Correct.
Which is correct according to Shane. Yeah, it's very busy today. According to Shane's professionalism in the world of theme parks, it is very busy. We have lost most of our gang of 7 today because we've got a lot of people with us today. We've got Rico, we've got Shane, and some are back there. We've got Jane, Will, Chucksy and Josh. As we approach, you can see a bit more of the layout.
So we are going on Soar first?
Yeah, we're going on Soar the Ride. You looking forward to it, Rico?
100%.
Right. So, we've just been on Soar the Ride here at Thorpe Park. It was very good, although it was a bit bashy on the old ears.
Oh, it was amazing fun. It's very scary getting on, but once you're on there, it's very fun. There's a surprise at the start, which I'm not going to reveal, but be prepared if you do plan to go on this ride.
We have had a bit of a change of plan. We were going to go do Stealth next, but now we are going to do Nemesis Inferno. As it says, it's only on 15 minutes. It's roaring around right above us.
Place yourself dropping in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Auf Wiedersehen.
Come on, join me. We have been on Nemesis Inferno. Very good. We got front row. A bit headbanging, but alright.
Generally my favourite out of pretty much all the rides I've been on so far. And this isn't just today. It's a very good ride, and I do really enjoy it.
Yeah. So, but next we're off to Rumba Rapids. We've just been on Rumba Rapids. It wasn't great. We didn't really get wet. What were your thoughts?
I did really like it, to be fair. It was fun seeing who got wet. I'm lucky because if it was very windy today, I would have got soaked with the number of hills I went down backwards.
I know. Yeah. Anyway, next we're going to get some lunch, which is going to be a sausage bratwurst, a dog hot dog thing. I don't know, with some Fanta. Let's get cracking.
George didn't go on because he didn't want to get wet, understandably. I am quite wet.
Yeah.
So basically it was an amazing ride. I loved it. It was so much fun.
So today for our lunch here at Thorpe Park, we're going for the bratwurst. I've only tried the bread, I haven't tried the bratwurst yet, with red sauce. But let's tuck in and enjoy. So enjoy breakfast. It was lovely, loads of flavour in it. But now we are queuing up for The Walking Dead, the ride. So we've just been on Walking Dead, the ride, and that was absolutely incredible. It's really well themed. What are your thoughts, Rico?
It was originally supposed to be a kids ride, so that's a lot more twisty and twirly than I thought. It was very good though, no doubt about that.
Anyway, we have got some massive news and a massive thank you. We have reached 500 subscribers. We have never been so happy. So a massive thank you to everyone. We are halfway on a road to 1,000 subscribers. So please keep on subscribing. If you haven't subscribed already and you like this channel, please do, as we are on a road to 1,000 subscribers.
And hit that notification
Next,
bell.
off to Detonator.
Thrill seekers, brace yourselves, dropping in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Auf Wiedersehen.
So we've just been on Detonator. That's the one. Forgot the name. It's a very good rock. Very good. Nice and fast on the whole.
It's amazing. It goes at random points. You can say one, it can go 5, 4, 3, drop you. It doesn't even finish sometimes.
Next, the Swarm. Shane has just, and Josh and Dixie and Jane have just done Darren Brown's Ghost Train. How was it, Shane?
It was so-so.
Anyway, next on to Colossus, the park's 10 inversion coaster, once the world record holder, and we are finishing an incredible day here at Thorpe Park Resort. It's been incredible. We've got loads done today and have plenty of videos to share with you, and we won't have so much sharing this time because we're more focused on getting it done this time. Last time.
What did you think of Oktoberfest?
So we may not have so much. Oktoberfest was very good. What do you think? It was nice area.
It's been amazing, and since we haven't got time to, I'm just going to quickly step in and do a quick review on Colossus, the ride I've just been on. George didn't go on, which is fair enough. Anyway, so Colossus was just amazing. It's a my favourite ride so far, and it's just
probably the best ride today.
Yes, definitely. It's just been an amazing ride with all the turns and twists and whatnot. It's been amazing. But yeah, Oktoberfest has been great as well.
So yeah, that concludes our day.
What was your favourite ride today, George Wheeler?
Probably Self, actually.
And that again? I'd probably say that was my favourite ride of the day after Colossus, and then I'd say the Swarm was also very good.
Yeah,
so it's pretty hard to decide,
it's
really.
Very hard to decide. But anyway, till next time, wherever that may be, we've been the Family Day Trippers. If you it would help us out if you like the video. If you're watching this video and aren't subscribed to the channel, please do, as we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. And also make sure you have the notifications turned on so you know when the latest video comes out. If you want to say hi, have a suggestion, have a question, please post it down in the comment section. Until next time, I've been George.
And I've been Rico.
And we're the Family Day Trippers.
Oh yes!
Bye
We're the
for
Family
now.
Day Trippers.
Bye for now.